so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Sharleen from stampwithshar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator here in the US. It's Friday, which means I either have a tip, a technique, or a trick to share with you. Today, I've got a great tip to share with you. Now, if you guys haven't already subscribed to my channel, you can do so by hitting that red subscribe button, or you can hit that little girl that sits in the corner of your screen. Either way, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell, and that's going to notify you every time I upload a video. All the supplies that I used for today's video, you can find it in the description below, and if you click on that, that's going to take you on over to my online store. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you over on my website, www.stampwithshar.com. We're going to flip the camera and we're going to get started on today's tip. So, my tip for today, you guys, I wanted to talk a little bit about these clear envelopes. These envelopes are awesome. You can find them on page 193 in the annual catalog, and you get 50 in a package. So you get quite a lot, but not only do I use them to send out cards, I use them for other projects as well. Now, just so you know, I have to pay an extra 20 cents when I send off a card in one of these clear envelopes. Now, I am not sure if that is standard throughout the United States or if that is just in my area. So when purchasing these, you may want to check and see whether there's an added postage. But these are great, you guys. I use them for so many other things. So today's tip I wanted to share with you. I actually take one of my clear envelopes, and when I'm working on a project and I have too many of these cutouts, because that happens sometimes, what I do is I take a clear envelope and I actually cut it down a little bit. So I just take my paper snips, I try and get it, cut it down close towards the adhesive. And then all I do is I remove this backing and I attach it to my stamp case, like so. And then that is going to be now my protective sheet to protect my stamps. However, there is a protective sheet in here. You can either toss this away or keep it. I keep mine. And you will notice as well, I keep framelits whenever there's a coordinating, like a stamp that comes with framelits. I always tend to keep my framelits in my case. That way, when I grab it, it's there. I don't have to now try and look for framelits. But yeah, just a nice way, another way to use these clear envelopes by just placing it in your stamp case. I hope you found today's tip useful. Next week, I will be sharing with you different projects that you can do using these clear envelopes. So I hope you'll come back here and join me next week. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope you all have a wonderful and safe weekend, and we'll see you back here on Monday. Take care.